In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix black screen issue on Kali Linux after install. और Kali Linux इंस्टॉल तो हो गई है और चलिए इसको बूट करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. It taking times to loading. After install Kali Linux using a graphical installer, I facing a problem of black screen issues. Kali won't continue from the black screen. Let's fix this problem now. First step is to power off your system and then restart it with power keys. Now you can see the grub menu is automatically started, and now you can press E immediately. Now search the line that ends with quit splash. So I found that the main reason of this problem is the default graphic driver is not supported my system hardware. Now you can add the parameter is i915.modeset equal to 0. This is for Intel based motherboard actually. And you can add various other parameters depends on your system graphics card. You can check on description. And now you can press Ctrl plus X to boot with the edit setting. It taking to you in booting command list. Just wait. Now you can enter Kali username that you given at the time of installing Kali Linux and your password. Just wait a bit. And now you can enter command start X. Press enter. See the cursor appears. And your Kali is loaded fine. Boom, your Kali is here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow our channels for future updates. Thanks.